The Avalanche had a break. Now he's pointing as if the Avalanche had too many men on the ice.
Because he went immediately right over to the bench. And the referee said something to the player right on the end. Now
power play goal. And at 30 left. Rene Bourque off for tripping at 10-13. Hard shot off the post. Rebound score. There it is. They got it done. On the power play, the Avalanche have taken the lead 1-0. Looked like a sure goal, hit the post, but then the Avalanche were right. Brought down the near wing, Iginla. Turn, shoot, save, rebound, put out in front, and score! A pretty play from the seat of his pants, literally. Horak able to chip that puck in to tie the game at 1 for Horak. He gets the goal here in this.
That is not a happy coach right there.
Well, you're being outshot.
And
4 minutes in the second period.
Shot by Stepniak, blocked. Shot by Horak, blocked. Loose puck and score. Lee Stepniak got to the rebound to score his first goal of the season, and Calgary has a 2-1 lead.
Well, Stepniak is like, maybe he epitomizes as much as any.
In on the short side. Back to the point. Bomeister. Far side. Hard shot. Bouncing puck. Scored. Rene Bourque makes it 3-1. That's a power play goal for the Flames. And Rene Bourque has got his 4th goal of the season. He leads the team in that category.
And we're starting to see a theme, Michael. All 3 goals that Calgary has